Eye exercises. Welcome to part 3 of Unleash Your Vision Express, the Get Rid of Your Glasses Naturally video series. Over the last couple of sessions we covered a lot of material. Most of it you probably never considered to be important for getting rid of your glasses. You learned how your mind and smiling affect your eyesight, discovered what your spine and liver have to do with it, understood that food heavily affects your eyes, found out how your colon affects your vision, and you smiled. Let me warn you, if you don't do what we covered in the last couple of days, you can exercise your eyes till the cows come home, but your eyesight won't change. Implementing all the other stuff is much easier than you think, and tomorrow we'll talk about that. But for now, let's look at what eye exercises actually do. You see, for quite some time now your eye muscles have been out of shape. As you can see here, there are 6 muscles around the eye. If they are not balanced, if they are too tense or too weak, then you get eye problems because the shape of the whole eyeball gets distorted. And that in turn shapes the lens in a way that you get problems with your vision. So you now have the choice to put glasses or contacts in front of the lens, which offsets the incorrect shape. Or you can do eye surgery, which cuts something of the lens that is out of place. You see, if it was overgrowth, if it was too much, then you could shape off or cut off the new axis later on again, when your eye problems come back a few years after eye surgery. But that's not the case. Once you do eye surgery, you can never do it again. So obviously it doesn't eliminate excess. Obviously it cuts off something that's just in the wrong place. And that's where eye exercises come in. Bottom line is, if your eye muscles are all over the place, you have to eliminate the root causes for that, and that's what we covered up until today. When these root causes are gone, you can then balance out the eye muscles, so they get back to where they should be, where they're meant to be. Therefore, you exercise and relax your eye muscles, that puts them back in balance. After that, you do some vision correction exercises that strengthen them, and your eyes relearn what they didn't have to do for years, because the glasses were doing the job. Basically, glasses are like crutches. Imagine if you had to walk on crutches for like 3, 4, 5 or 20 years. You would have to do rehab for your leg muscles, wouldn't you? So vision correction exercises are like rehab for your eyes. But make no mistake, they're useless if you don't cover all the bases we talked about in the last couple of days. And tomorrow we talk about how you can cover them easily and effectively. Have a great day and enjoy the exercises. In this lesson you're about to learn specific eye exercises, a sort of gymnastics for eyes. These exercises build strength and flexibility of the muscles around the eyes, improve your vision and making it clear and sharper. The exercises are straightforward and easy to do. In order to ensure proper blood flow to your eyes, we need to keep your back and neck straight. Did you know that in ancient Eastern medicine, doctors were able to diagnose certain diseases based on the movement of the eyes? This is because our eyes are connected to many other organs in the body. So by doing these exercises, we indirectly massage the whole body, providing much needed stimulation for other organs. Please remember, proper posture, a gentle smile, and a positive attitude are essential for the success of the exercises. First, I would like to explain how to do eye exercises, and then we'll do them together. Please just listen for the next few minutes, just to familiarize yourself with the exercises. Later, we'll do every movement 6 times. So let's start. First, we look to the left and then to the right, like this. And then we look up and down, like this. And then we look left, focus there for a moment, and then straight ahead into the distance. And then right, focus there for a moment, and then straight ahead into the distance. Then we trace with our eyes an imaginary butterfly shape. Look to your upper right corner, and then to your lower right corner, and then diagonally to the upper left corner, and then to the lower left corner, and diagonally to the upper right to complete the shape. And then we do it the other way around. Next, we trace a big 8 in front of our eyes, like this. Remember to smile, and then we do it the other way around, like this. Then we follow an imaginary lazy 8 or an infinity symbol, like this. And then the other way around, like this. Now we imagine a big clock in front of our eyes, and we move them from number 12 to number 1, 2, 3, and so on. When we completed the circle, we move the eyes the other way around.
Please mirror my movements. That's why the numbers on the screen are mirrored too.
In the next exercise, we place both our index fingers on the tip of the nose and focus on them for a moment. Then we look straight ahead into the distance. At the same time, we take our hands to the sides and twinkle with the fingers while looking straight ahead, so we can see the movement of the fingers with the peripheral vision. Then next, we place our index fingers on the midpoint of the nose and then look straight ahead into the distance and repeat the exercise. The next point is straight between eyebrows and repeat the exercise. And then go back to the midpoint of the nose and repeat the exercise. And finally we focus on the tip of the nose and repeat the exercise. After the exercises, we need to sit down and relax the muscles around the eyes. This is called palming. Our eyes relax best when they are closed. So rub your hands to warm them up. Cup them like this. And now place them over your closed eyes. Make sure that no light gets through. When you feel your eyes are relaxed, which usually takes around a minute, place your hands on your knees, but keep your eyes closed. You can take 5 or even 10 minutes for the full relaxation. The more time you take, the better. So keep an eye out for tomorrow's email. Thanks for watching and have a great day.